you're like me, you've had a flood in your basement, you want to use a dehumidifier to get all of that moisture out. The first thing that you're gonna do is go ahead and get a sample reading of whatever has been affected by the water. If you don't actually get a sample reading, then you won't know if there's been actually any improvement. Ooh, that's about 13%. So definitely get a moisture meter that shows you the percentage. Now that we've got our baseline, now let's go ahead and turn this on. You can see that I've plugged this in right over there into the outlet. And then the second thing is you will see that I have unraveled, removed all the little kinks of the hose, and it is going right over here into that sink. Just make sure that this is draining no more than 20 feet above where this is situated. So I'm not gonna be draining this upstairs. I'm gonna try to keep it on the same level as this. Now let's go over here and turn this puppy on. You can see that there's this button right here. Go ahead and click that. And just like that, it is on. Here's a sample of what it sounds like. It's relatively quiet. Highly recommended to also get some air movers or some fans to get as much circulation going as possible. There you go in 90 seconds.